All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Kershaw Atmos here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So what do we have inside the box is, of course, your Kershaw Atmos and just like in some important informations about your knife and just kind of instructions, maintenance tips, etc. What is this guy? This is Kershaw Atmos. It's a Sinkevich Design. Really cool little knife, because the overall length of this guy is going to be 7 inches with a 3-inch long blade and roughly 4-inch long handle. And it's a very interesting liner lock. It has a G10 scales with some cheap, I would say, carbon fiber overlay, deep carry pocket clip. It has a nice G10 backspacer, lanyard hole option. The pocket clip is reversible, tip-up carry only. This is a beautiful flipper, guys, like nice hollow grind, jimping going on, swedge going on, and HCR 13 MOV steel, Sinkevich Design right on the back. It's made in China. It's a extremely cheap knife. This is going to be $30–40 max, and it's just a good knife. I mean, this is really good, especially for the price. I mean, there's like pocket clips which are 3 times the price of this one. I mean, really cool pocket clips, of course, but I mean, for example, this pocket clip here costs much more than this knife, so it's something to consider. And this is a well-made knife. It's a Sinkevich Design, really cool action. It's running on bearings, and it's a beautiful flipper, snappy action, hollow grind. I mean, the steel is not the best, but it's a pretty cool knife indeed. I mean, it's a nice liner lock. The materials, of course, like it's a cheap carbon fiber, but guys, we are talking about a budget knife, so the weight on this guy, for example, is going to be quite contained to be something like in this package. Let's see. Let's just reset the scale. You see, maybe, yeah, now it's okay, and that's going to be, look at this, less than 2 ounces, 1.95 ounces. So that's something really cool for sure. You can even open it like that. It's a flipper tab, sharp jimping that's going on, but it's for a reason, because it's a small one. The only issue I have, it's right over here. You see this guy, but we're gonna chat a little bit more about that in my full-length review. So if you want to know more, please check that out. But hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.